everybody, my name's Eva and welcome to my channel, Busy Mummy Unboxing. Today I've got my first ever click rate. Now, if you haven't heard of click rates, which not many people have, they're not on Cratejoy or any other subscription box website. I came across them at random from other YouTubers. They are $19.99 a month. It's a UK company, so you pay about $22.99 with a bit of shipping on top. You get 4 to 6 items. The items can be like geeky sort of items, so I think kind of Funko Pops, Marvel, big boys toys really, that sort of thing. From what I've seen from other boxes and other unboxers on YouTube, the box does look pretty good value. So as I said, this is my first one, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so I've just opened it up and already I'm seeing quite a few lovely things in here. Look at that, and that is, I've only paid £20 for all this. So, okay, let's have a look. So first one, we've got, this the Deadpool Chimichang surprise figure. So I'm not going to open this because Deadpool isn't really my thing, so I could pass this on to maybe one of my kids or friends who are into Deadpool. But from what I can guess, it's kind of like a collectible but surprise figure. It says age 14 plus, so not a toy. Yeah, there's that. I'm guessing they're between £5 and £10 each on their own. Sorry. Okay, so there's that one. Lots of lovely stuff in here. Oh, hello. This one says Bioshock Infinite. Again, it's not something I've heard of, but it's definitely something that I'll be keeping because the sort of thing that I like. It's a 3.5 inch vinyl figure and her name's Elizabeth. Again, it's not something I've heard of. I don't know, is that a film, a game? But I do like it. Very much me, that one. Oh, I don't know how to do all this for £20. I really don't, because this is like, wow. Oh my, wow. This is a game that I have heard of and played a lot of times. It's Fallout, but it's actually one of my favourite games. Fallout, and it's a 3D mug. Haven't played Fallout. It's kind of like a post kind of war game with like monsters that you kill and quests and stuff like that. Kind of a futuristic role playing. It's really good. So yeah, there is that. A 3D mug. Now they cost quite a bit too. I'd say at least £10, maybe more, because it is a proper official Fallout one. Can't see any prices on them, so but there's that one. What's this? Super Mario pen and pen topper for 6+. It's quite horror-ish, doesn't it? It's teeth there. I'm sure you all played Mario back in the day, even if you don't play it anymore. That's that one. So I'd say these sport items are definitely already more than what the box costs, and there's still a few more items to go. So let's have a look at this. I've got the Marvel Spider-Man dot to dot book, yeah, 20 comic characters to complete. Okay, let's have a flick through. So, can't really see that close because there are quite a lot of dots to join up. But I'm sure they look particular when they're done. Ah, here we go. Oh, that's like a massive one. So that's not really big one. So, there we go. I think that's what they look like when they're completed. You can see that. Pretty cool. So when you complete the dots, that's what they look like. So Spider-Man isn't really my thing. There's another boys, but again, I know a lot of people do like Spider-Man and will love this. So even if you don't use the gift yourself, I'm pretty sure most people know someone that they can gift to. So again, well worth it. And there's still 2 items in here. Oh, I'm saving the best till last. Okay. Wow. So we've got a Harry Potter Wizarding World figure. Very collectible if you like Harry Potter. Which my daughter does. And it's Harry himself in this one. I know they're not cheap at all. No idea how much they are, but it's the official, it's McFarlane Toys. So yep, that's quite impressive. There's Harry there. And what's that? Is that something else in there too? It's like a stand and I feel book beak or it's like a stag. The stag that he's got with him. Okay, and there's one more item, and this has got to be my favourite because it's one of my favourite films. Beetlejuice figure. It's not a Funko Pop, which I'm quite happy with because I'd used to collect Funko Pops, but I kind of stopped. This is actually, it says Diamond Selection Toys Vinty Mates, and then in the back it says a self-proclaimed bioexorcist Beetlejuice advertises his services to the recently deceased, offering to scare the living out of their former homes, but in reality he will stop at nothing to be set free from the internal boredom of the afterlife. And it comes with it's got a posable head. It's very cool. I do like that. Okay, so I've got the Beetlejuice figure, Mario pen with topper, this rather cute Bioshock, it's got to be a game, I'm pretty sure it is, figure, the Harry Potter figure, the Fallout mug, Spider-Man book, and the Deadpool surprise figure. That's 7 quality items in total for an amazing, absolutely amazing value of £19.99. Can't grumble, there's nothing negative about this parcel at all. It came on time, came quickly, and the value is amazing. So if you like it, I will put the details below and you can get yourself one. As always, thank you for watching and look out for the rest of our videos. Please leave me a comment and like and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks for watching, goodbye.